As someone who lived in an apartment for 5 years and now lives in a travel camper, I can say that I enjoy cleaning way more because my space is a lot smaller, so obviously I don't have as much to clean. And in this video, I'm cleaning my tiny kitchen, and I just want to say I am so thankful that this camper has a double sink because I don't know where I would be drying my dishes without any counter space. And it's crazy because when I did live in the apartment, I used to always say that I had no counter space, and now that I actually have no counter space, I'm just like, I don't really think it was that serious. I think I just got lazy with cleaning everything, but now I really enjoy keeping up with my space, having everything sparkling clean. And living this type of lifestyle really opened up my eyes to pay attention to detail and enjoy the little things in life. And it made me realize that a lot of the problems I had in the past weren't really big problems. I would get stressed out when I had to clean dishes after cooking, when my apartment building shut off the water for an hour. And although those things may have been annoying in the moment, it really wasn't serving me to focus my energy in a negative way. A quote that resonated with me recently is, "The more you know, the less you need." And that is so true because since I don't have that many physical items or a big space to clean, I have so much more time on my hands. So that means I can focus on my self-care, focus on developing myself, reading, building my business, and becoming better overall. And I feel like I've said this before, but one of the main reasons we moved into an RV is so that way we can have more time to do all of the things that I mentioned, and also so we can have the freedom to travel and to live wherever we want, whenever we feel like it. But anyway, that's just something I wanted to share with y'all. So take this as your reminder to be thankful for the little things in life, and use this video as motivation to go clean your space. And if this made you want to move into an RV, even if it's just a little bit, even if it's just 0.01%, leave a comment down below and stay tuned for more camper lifestyle content.